YouTubers? Well, seeing that you guys don't like it when I do my auto vlogs because you're afraid I'm going to kill myself, okay, I'll try to do one here at work. Well, it snowed again. Again. It's still snowing, actually. Here, look at this. There's our plow guy. Our plow guy is plowing the Q lane right now. There's Andrew and Tony. Make a little video out here. There's our plow guy! Yay, plow guy! You can see how deep it is. It can stop snowing now. We don't need any more snow. I wish it would stop snowing too. What about you? Not keep snowing. Not keep snowing. So this is my work. These are my guys right here. They're good hard workers. Oh, look it, here's our candy machine. Candy! Candy! My hair looks all messed up because before the plow guy came, I was actually out there with the snowblower trying to, like, snowblow that entire queue. You know, it's like a big driveway. And yeah, I got pretty soaked. So that didn't work so good. So now I have messed up hair. Good thing I'm wearing a hoodie. I can always put my hoodie up. So, you know what? I really have nothing to tell you guys today, so I guess I will just end this now. You guys have a good day. See you later.